Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss 20 beginner-friendly machine learning project ideas using Python. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. One, Iris flower classification. Use the iris dataset to build a classification model that predicts the species of iris flowers based on features like sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. It's a classic introductory project for learning classification. 2. Breast cancer detection. Build a binary classification model to predict whether breast cancer tumors are malignant or benign using features such as tumor size and texture. This project is valuable for understanding binary classification and medical applications. 3. Handwritten digit recognition. Create a deep learning model that can recognize handwritten digits, 0 to 9, from images. You'll use the NIST dataset, a popular dataset for digit recognition tasks, to build and train the model. 4. Spam email classifier. Develop a spam email classifier using natural language processing, NLP, techniques. You'll pre-process email text, extract relevant features, and train a model to differentiate between spam and non-spam emails. 5. Sentiment analysis. Perform sentiment analysis on text data to determine whether a given text expresses a positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. You can use movie reviews or social media data for this project. 6. Movie recommendation system. Build a recommendation system that suggests movies to users based on their viewing history and preferences. Collaborative filtering and matrix factorization are common techniques for this project. 7. Image classification with CIFAR 10. Create a convolutional neural network, CNN, to classify images in the CIFAR 10 dataset into categories like cats, dogs, and cars. It introduces you to image classification and CNNs. 8. Predicting house prices. Implement a regression model to predict house prices based on features like square footage, the number of bedrooms, and location. This project helps you understand regression analysis. 9. Titanic survival prediction. Analyze the Titanic dataset and build a classification model to predict whether passengers survived or not based on features like age, gender, and class. This project covers data preprocessing and classification. 10. Credit card fraud detection. Develop a fraud detection system that identifies potentially fraudulent credit card transactions using anomaly detection or classification techniques. This project focuses on handling imbalanced datasets. 11. Stock price prediction. Predict future stock prices using time series analysis and machine learning models. You'll use historical stock price data to make predictions. 12. Chatbot development. Create a simple chatbot using NLP libraries like NLTK or Spacy. The chatbot can engage in conversations and respond to user queries. 13. Customer churn prediction. Predict customer churn for a telecom company by analyzing customer behavior and historical data. This project emphasizes customer analytics and classification. 14. Weather forecasting. Develop a basic weather forecasting model using historical weather data and time series analysis. You'll use techniques like ARIMA or LSTM for this project. 15. Traffic sign recognition. Build a model that can recognize and classify traffic signs in images or video streams. It's an introduction to object detection and image classification. 16. Gesture recognition. Create a system that recognizes hand gestures from images or video streams. This project is useful for understanding computer vision and gesture-based interfaces. 17. predicting diabetes. Build a model that predicts whether a person is at risk of developing diabetes based on healthcare data, including features like glucose levels and BMI. It involves binary classification. 18. Fake news detection. Develop a model to classify news articles as real or fake based on their content and language patterns. This project combines NLP and classification techniques. 19. Object detection. Implement object detection using popular deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. You can use pre-trained models to detect objects in images or videos. 20. Anomaly detection. Build an anomaly detection system that identifies unusual patterns or outliers in data. This project is essential for understanding anomaly detection techniques. These projects cover a wide range of machine learning concepts and application domains, making them suitable for beginners to gain practical experience and build a portfolio. Start with simpler projects and progressively tackle more complex ones as your skills improve. That's all for this video. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.